Dear students, in a previous class we studied about pH scales and pH salt. Now, today class we studied about are the crystals of salts really dry? Are the crystals of salts really dry? The copper sulfate crystals are seen to be, first we take copper sulfate crystals. The copper sulfate crystals are seen to be dry water of crystallization. When we eat the crystals in a boiling tube, remove the water from the salt turns to white color. ಆ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ವಾಟರ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. The salts become white color. And if you moisten the crystal with water, it regain the color. The color ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಕಲರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕಲರು ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರಿಗೆ. The crystals are turns to be blue in color. So, water of crystallization. Finally, we conclude water of crystallization is a fixed number of water molecules are present in a one formula unit of salt. Water of crystallization salts is a fixed number of water molecules. ಇಷ್ಟು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆದಂಥ ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾದಂಥ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ present in the one formula unit of salt. One formula unit ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು fixed number of water molecules present ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. For example, few number of water molecules are present in one formula unit of copper sulfate. One formula unit of copper sulfate ಅಲ್ಲಿ few number of water molecules ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? The chemical formula is CuSO4 5H2O. Here, five number of water molecules is present in a one formula unit of copper sulfate. Here, five number of water molecules is present in a copper sulfate solution. So, next is Na2SO4 10H2O. Can you name this? Here, 10 number of water molecules is present in one formula unit of sodium sulfate. One formula unit of sodium sulfate. Next is, on the other hand, it possesses the water of crystallization as the gypsum. One of the crystals is that is gypsum. On the other hand, one of the water of crystallization is a gypsum. It has two water molecules is present in a one formula unit of calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate 2H2O. Calcium sulfate 2H2O. Here, two water molecules is present in a fixed one formula unit of calcium sulfate. Now, let us learn about the uses of this salt, uses of this gypsum. Here, when we eat the gypsums in 373 Kelvin, it reduces the water and it turns to the CaSO4 of H2O. CaSO4 of H2O. That is plaster of Paris. That is what we call the plaster of Paris. When we heat the gypsum at 373 Kelvin, it removes the water molecules. It produces CaSO4 half H2O. That is called as plaster of Paris. The chemical name of this plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. You already seen plaster of Paris in medical field. The doctors are used to plaster the fracture of bones in the right position. Doctors ಕೈ ಮುಟ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಲು ಏನೋ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಾಡಿ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ರೈಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಿಸ್. ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ use the plaster of Paris. Again, this plaster of Paris is mixed with water and it turns to gypsum. CaSO4 of H2O, calcium sulfate hemihydrate, is combined with water. It turns calcium sulfate 2 moles of water. Here, when a plaster of Paris is mixed with or react with water, when we added the water to the plaster of Paris, it turns to the gypsum. Here, 2 molecules of water is fixed in a 1 formula unit of calcium sulfate, that is gypsum. First we notify here water is used to be mixed with plaster of Paris and it turns to gypsum. Clear about it? And one more thing, plaster of Paris is a white salt. Plaster of Paris is a white salts or substances. So these plaster of Paris are used in various purpose for making decorations articles, and then in medical field. It has to be used in medical field and it has to be used in finishing the articles. Any doubt about it? When the plaster of Paris is mixed with again water, it turns to the gypsum. Here, half of the water molecules are shown to be attached to the water of crystallization. Here, half of the water molecules use is attached to the water of crystallization. This copper sulfate moist copper sulfate white color blue color this half of the water molecule, 1/2 of the water molecules, this shows the attached of water of crystallization. So, water of crystallization idina use manta 1/2 of the water. Clear about it? Yes.